Morning, everybody. This is our 1978 Trans Am Bandit. This car has gorgeous black paint, gold pinstriping, polished aluminum 15x8 gold wheels. It's even got the Georgia plate from looking like the original Bandit. It's got a beautiful camel tan interior. It's loaded with options: power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning. It's got the gold steering wheel and the gold dash, power windows, tilt, rear defrost. Pretty well has it all. It's a gorgeous car. We're going to start it up for you. Compressor kicks in, the AC blows cold. Factory 403, 6.6. All the lights work. All the glass is good. It's got the shaker hood like it's supposed to have. And I mean, the reflection is just amazing. How y'all doing this morning? The original cloth interior looks like it's brand new. They don't make that material anymore, so we know it's original. It is beautiful. Nice original door panels, nice door jamb paint, new weather strip. These polished wheels look amazing. It's got the traditional dual Trans Am tips on the back. So beautiful with the lights on. Well, if you can get Sally Fields to ride with you, you'd be just like the Bandit in this old girl. Call Fred at 580-221-4326 or text me. And of course, you can always go to our website, redlinemusclecars.com. Y'all have a blessed day.